What is up, YouTube? A&A Photography here, and we're
Hello, motherfucker.
Zero Zach here, guys. How are you doing?
or Trans Am Zach or Beamer Zach, Beam Zach. Keep it Zach Attack TV.
Zach Attack TV. Go check him out right here. But so today we are gonna go test out the beam beams. He's got his fixed. If you guys haven't seen the last video, the cats were just clogged. So now the car, you can actually like put the pedal to the metal. So we're gonna take the E30 and see what it does against the E46. Both of the cars are super slow, so you're gonna see a super slow race, but it's gonna be fun. Let's go! So here's Zach's car. So
Replace the headlights.
he got some new headlights for it. They're not all foggy and yellow. This car's gonna come a long way, guys, but can't wait. Got the V, already snow, and then we got this beam. Check. Whoa, God. Too strong. Sorry, it's a little dirty. I eat Pop-Tarts on the way to work, so you already know. But yeah, we're gonna start this Jimmy Jam out, let it warm up. I'm gonna set up all the camera stuff so that we can get this race going, guys. Look at Juice. You see him? Juicy! But let's get this popping. Start this beast up. Oh yeah, you already know we filled her up with some 93. So she's ready to rock, ready to race. Ah, shoot. All right. We're gonna let the defrosters do the thing. So for all you guys that make car videos, this tri-mount suction cup is from Delkin. This thing is awesome for like car reviews. You just suck it up right here, camera stays stable, or you can have it on the outside. I don't trust it on the outside, but I mean, you can use that. So if you guys ever make car videos, this is an awesome thing to buy. It's only like 80 bucks or something, so good thing to purchase for doing car videos. Oh yeah, man. Alright guys, so got the mountain set up, you know, and we're gonna go off to the races, you know. Comment down below what you guys think, E46 or E30. I don't know. This thing's got a little bit of power to it, but I mean, this thing weighs more, so I don't know. We'll see. Let's do a little test hit. Oh yeah, baby. We ready to catch this dub. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Woo-hoo! Let's go, baby. We're so slow. E46 for the win. E46 for the win. This thing is so slow. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. I'm losing! No!
Before you open up the dirty window, the sun illuminate the words that you cannot find. Reaching for something in the distance, so close you can almost taste.
Dude, we gotta get sideways. Dude, I almost had you, man.
You didn't even have yourself.
Yeah. Wow, dude.
Yeah, I need a valve cover. Valve cover gasket.
Valve cover gasket.
Yes, sir.
This thing gets so like...
That thing looks cool.
Yeah, it's fun as hell to drive. But yeah, guys.
Huh? It's a racing B-Tech.
What?
Let me see. I got no H in here.
I just put the new grill on it. Just put the core on it. It's a Prelude B-Tech motor.
V-Tech.
Only thing I got is the chip.
Is it
Oh, you got a chip?
Yeah, I got a chip.
Is it a manual?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
With the chip out, dude.
They're not too bad.
It's smoky, dude.
Yeah, they're pretty quick.
I was rolling with a Ford Mustang going down 95.
Yeah, what year?
Huh?
What year?
Oh, 2004.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Trying to get the fucking NGK quarter kit and the air filter kit.
Hell yeah, they're fun.
Yeah.
And it's a Honda,
Came
it's
out of a
reliable.
Prelude, dude. This car's been sitting. My girl wrecked, or she blew the motor, and I took it out of a racing car. I had a 95 four-wheel stick. Fucking Prelude with the four-wheel steering. You ever seen them?
Yeah, the all-wheel drive from
motor
this.
came out of, yeah.
That's what's up.
Nice.
New fucking lights in it, new grill.
Cool. That's what's up, bro.
Taking the HP racing one day, getting the fucking intercooler and the NGK clutch one day.
Hell yeah, dude.
What's up, bro? Alright, man. Be sick.
Back to F-Series.
Hey, where you going, man?
I'm just gonna send it. that lady there sleeping and she didn't even flinch. That is crazy.
Hey,
She's just like this.
when you gotta take a snooze, you gotta take a snooze, I guess.
I'm gonna try one more.
It's not working, mate. Not enough power.
This thing needs like, I don't know, something.
Well guys, the E30, I mean it's completely stock, I don't care. We're gonna be swapping this thing soon. This is gonna get swapped too. So, I don't know, these are just the daily beaters right now.
Hey guys, once the swap gets underway, make sure you follow me, subscribe on YouTube, and follow the build series, man. It's gonna be a good one. For real.
I mean, it's already pretty, a lot of stuff's been done to it just to get it to run. But now, yeah, both of these cars are gonna be getting swapped. This one, secrets, top secret. This one, top secret, kinda. But comment, rate, subscribe, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.
It's a prelude VTEC motor.
VTEC.
Only thing I got is the chip.
Is it
You got a chip.